Hi everyone. Finally, the last presentation of this today. You must be tired and somewhat disappeared and it's been such a long journey, but to be honest, I'm really super nervous right now, and so I don't even feel tired, and my mouth is completely dry like Gobi Desert. At first, I wasn't planning to give a presentation because I don't have any formal research to share. But they told me it's fine to just talk about my dreams and goals. So I said, okay, I'll do it. And then when I got detailed program book and realized I am the last speaker of the session. And I thought to myself, is it weird? Can I do it? But now that I'm here and delivering my first ever English presentation in front of such amazing people, I feel incredibly honored. Yes. Thank you. After listening to so many impressive ecological research presentation earlier, I started to wonder if my topic really fit here. But as a fellow youth, I really wanted to share what I've done, seen, and learned. So with that, let me begin. And I don't have an asterisk, so please just focus on me. Okay. I'm gonna introduce myself. Oh, sorry. Oh yeah. Yes. I'm currently a first grade majoring in forest science, Junwon National University. And during university, I developed a strong interest in international cooperation through learning about RED Plus and ODA projects. I also became fascinated with how technology could be integrated into forest management and how we could monitor and manage our environment more efficiently using tools like drones. So I got a level 1 drone license as well. And in addition, I've joined international youth network like IES2025 Korea and the FAO national chapter to explore these issues further and gradually find my own path. And this experience of IES school has been more than just participation. It was a valuable opportunity to observe how international events are actually planned and carried out. And I also had the chance to learn firsthand about the research interests of not only board professors but also masters and PhD students from different countries, from different majors, but have some same goals. Meeting experts and passionate peers from all over the world has truly been a highlight for me. And ultimately, my goal is to work in an international organization contributing to creating a better world through international cooperation. As you may know, COP30 will be held in Brazil in this year. My dream is to stand on that stage by COP35 and use my voice to represent youth, forest, and the urgent need for climate action. Now, I'd like to introduce the association I'm currently involved with, the International Forestry Student Association, called IES2025. I'm part of its Korean chapter, IES2025 Korea, where I currently serve as vice president. IES2025's vision is a word that appreciates forests. So this is very similar to the IES school's vision of to appreciate properly functioning ecosystems. Both emphasize understanding and protecting healthy natural systems, which is why I wanted to introduce IES2025 today. IES2025 is a large and dynamic global student organization. It currently operates across 5 continents, 7 regions, and 64 countries, and more than 146 member associations in it. Yeah. And students from around the world are studying forestry and building the future together. And I'm part of the Asia-Pacific region, which is the largest IES2025 region. It's very active and offers many opportunities to exchange ideas and collaborate. And IES2025 organizes a variety of international events, like these include the IES International Forest Student Symposium and regional meetings for each continent, and smaller sub-regional meetings, and IPSA also sent youth representatives to global events like the COP. So among this, the largest annual event is IFS, is International First Student Symposium. You can see the explanation here. And this year, it will be held in Indonesia from August 14th to 31st, with over 100 first students from around the world participating. Right after I returned to Korea from Mongolia, I'll heading straight to Indonesia to attend it. Yeah. I'm especially excited because Indonesia is a country rich in biodiversity and forest-related challenges. IPSA also provides many opportunities beyond events, including international internship and etc. This has been truly helpful for our growth. And I want to introduce my chapter. IPSA Korea was founded in 2005 with just 2 universities. But today, it includes 12 universities, 13 local communities, and over 200 active members in it. As Vice President, I'm involved in planning and learning many of our programs. And generally, we hold 2 general assemblies each year and regularly collaborate with institutions like Korea Forest Service and FAO like UN. And we also operate a mentoring program to connect students with alumni. And this photo shows our visit to the FAO Korea office, where we had the chance to learn directly from professionals. This year, we've been especially active in March. After a large wildfire in Korea, our members visited the site and helped plant trees as part of restoration efforts. That's me in the photo, and you can see me because I attended all events. And we also learned English conversation from yes, we also learned English conversation program called Uju, where we met, first students from countries like Japan, Taiwan, Indonesia, and Nepal by video call to discuss our major and career dreams to improve our English. Yes, and our next session will take place on August 9th, so really soon. And we also have the honor of hosting a special guest, a former IPSA Korea member who now works at UNCCD. It is one of the United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change like UNFCCC and CBD. He gave us a talk about his experience working in a UN agency. And we also participated in Korea's event for the UN's Work Day to combat desertification and drought event. We learned about how various organizations are cooperating and approaching desertification and how we, as forest students, can play a role. And on the International Day for Biodiversity, we joined a symposium about OECMs, which is other effective area-based conservation measures to prevent biodiversity. And we, as the executive board, we also publish a monthly newsletter called Monthly Eco, where we share updates on domestic and international forestry news like Korea-Mongolia forestry cooperation and trends. We also regularly visit the National Arboretum for educational tours and volunteer work. And most recently, we held our Summer General Assembly from August 1st to 2nd, just right before this event. Around 70 students from 12 universities joined us. We had activity report, workshop, and get a lecture. And we also visited Seoul National University experimental forest to see the clock tower. It was a space for passionate youth to share knowledge and dreams for better forest. Now I'd like to introduce something I'm especially proud of. IES2025 Korea is the regional event that resembles the structure of this IES school. We hosted it under the slogan Empower Youth, Build a Sustainable Tomorrow. dive into green cooperation. This photo was taken, APRAM is a smaller scale meeting compared to it. This year's APRAM hosted 64 participants from 9 countries. This photo was taken at the National Institute of Forest Science with all participants. Is it good, right? Yeah. And the event was fully planned by and organized by 13 undergraduate forest students from across Korea, including me. I'm here. Oh, thank you. Yes. And we handled everything, contacting institutions and arranging logistics, designing the program, and inviting overseas students. It was a true student-led effort. We also received generous support from many Korean universities, institutions, and companies. And thank you. And the program included visits to key forestry institutions and restoration sites across Korea. At the National Institute of Forest Science, we attended lecture on drone and technology used in forestry. At Baekdudaegan National Ever Team, we visited the seaboard. It is a permanent facility designed to store seeds as a last resort for the very moment when all other oceans are gone, like extinction. Unlike regular seed banks, where seeds are frequently taken in and out for research and replanting, this board is built for long-term emergency preservation, like this one. Yeah, seed board. Usually, it is not open to public, but so visiting it was a very special opportunity for us. And there are only 2 global seed birds in the world. Like one is the Svalbard global seed bird in Norway, which stores crop seeds, and the other is Baekdudaegan global seed bird in Korea, which preserve wild plant seeds. Yeah. And we also visited wildfire restoration site and the Korean National Arboretum to learn more about the field trip. Yeah. And the event also included a workshop and poster presentation of student research like today, and a panel discussion with APOCO. APOCO is Asian Forest Cooperation Organization and country delegates. One lecture is, One lecture, restoration process of endangered species, was especially relevant to our IES theme. Sadly, I couldn't attend it, but beyond the academic exchanges, what truly made this event special was the friendship and emotional connection. During the international night, participants wore traditional clothing and shared food and drinks from their countries. It was a wonderful chance to understand each other. And through APRM, I grew up a lot, and I think many others did too. And next year's APRM will be hosted in Taiwan. Yeah. And thank you so much for listening to my long presentation. If you'd like to know more about IES Korea, please feel free to check out our Instagram account. And it has been an honor to meet, where is it? Okay. It has truly been an honor to meet all of you at such a large and meaningful event. I think youth engagement and international cooperation are more important than ever, so I will keep working hard so I can reach all again, maybe on an even bigger stage in the future. And thank you. I sincerely appreciate the opportunity to participate in here, and I'd like to thank all those who made it possible. Thank you.
Thank you, Junwon. Thank you very much. Any question from floor? Okay, thank you very much. Thank you, Junwon.